So I got to be honest, just before I set up for a noontime workout, that I'm really still thinking about the anti-corruption rallies that are happening from time to time every other month, considering that President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. of the Philippines had opened this issue, especially because our fight against flood is mostly lost in 2025 because of mismanaged funds and lack of flood control structural progress as a result. Sabihin niyo sa akin, dear Bongbong, I didn't vote for you, but I am in support for pushing calls of accountability for every politician who benefited only for themselves. But who else would supposedly say that you do not have a hand in this? Most sane people that I find any stance on this would not say that this wasn't on your mind remotely at any time. Napakinggan ko si Zaldico, and I take his words with a grain of salt because they're not permissible as evidence. However, it should make one reflect. May pagkakasala ka man dito o wala, meron ka dapat ipahayag na kahit acknowledgement o pagkilala lang sa ganitong mga pahayag laban sa'yo. And given you were serious in opening this issue back in July during your State of the Nation address, I would want to start looking for any form of acknowledgement at all, at least admitting that even in a small way, you were remotely involved, even indirectly, that this was allowed because of negligence or a passive approval without conscious thought. Kung ang buong issue nangyari dahil lang sa pasibong pagsang-ayon ng walang malay na pag-iisip, kilalanin mo naman na ganito rin ang nangyari kaysa manahimik ka na lang, Bongbong. I like your calls for accountability, but this is always a double-edged sword in the court of public opinion. I'm just saying, if I were you, President Marcos Jr., maging patas ka rin. I support your calls for accountability, pero kilalanin mo rin na ikaw rin may kinalaman ka rin dito.